Hello everyone. This is one more question from the concepts of kinematics. Here in the question, there is a trolley moving horizontally with the constant velocity v with respect to the earth. Okay, the trolley has v meter per second speed, and a man starts from one end of the trolley. See, he starts running from one end of the trolley with a velocity 1.5 v meter per second with respect to the trolley. So velocity of man with respect to the trolley is 1.5 v I cap. Suppose if this is the I cap direction, obviously this will be minus I cap direction. So initially when he attempted to move from this point to this point, okay, because his direction is in the direction of the trolley, I mentioned here direction as I cap. Now after reaching the end of the trolley, see, after reaching the opposite end, the man returned back and continues to move with same 1.5 v with respect to the trolley in opposite direction. So again man traveled from here to here with same velocity of velocity of man with respect to trolley is now also 1.5 v but in opposite direction. Okay, now if L is the length of the trolley, what is the displacement of the man with respect to the earth in this process is our question. Okay, see, explanation purpose, let me go with one simple diagram here. If this is the trolley, initially man is here at its one end. As trolley is moving towards right side with constant velocity v, after some time, say the trolley is somewhere here, right here, like this. Meanwhile, within this time, man reached the end of the trolley, and here he traveled in this direction, and then immediately he reversed his direction of motion, and now the trolley is keep moving with say v velocity, so the trolley is said to be now somewhere else here. Meanwhile man again reached the left extreme end. Okay, see, trolley is continued to move with v velocity towards right side. Over the trolley, person traveled from left extreme end to right extreme end, and then moved from right extreme end towards left extreme end. Okay, so here if you observe, displacement of the man with respect to the trolley is 0. Okay, because where he started initially, again he is at same point. So displacement of man with respect to the trolley is equal to displacement of man minus displacement of the trolley. As this is 0, you can say displacement of the man is equal to displacement of the trolley, right? So though our question here is to find displacement of the man with respect to the ground, as we proved here, which is equal to displacement of the trolley. So now I am going to here try to find out the value of displacement of the trolley with respect to the ground, so that value represents the displacement of the man with respect to the ground. Okay, now let us focus over the time taken to move from here to here. If it is t equal to 0, say here it is t equal to t, so this instant to this instant total time is t. How to find the time taken by the trolley to move from this place to this place, say location 1 to location 2? I can find here with the knowledge of t equal to relative displacement by relative velocity of man, because in this time interval, first man traveled relatively trolley length, that is L length, towards right side first, and then he returned, again traveled L length to reach same point with same relative velocity 1.5 v, which we already noticed here while reading the question. So I can say total relative distance traveled by the man is, see, this is relative distance traveled by the man, it is 2L, because while moving towards right side, L length he traveled, again L length he traveled, so 2L by relative speed is 1.5 v. Now let me focus on now the calculation of displacement of the trolley. Now we know velocity of the trolley is equal to displacement of the trolley by time taken. Okay, so now displacement of the trolley is equal to velocity of the trolley into t. Velocity of the trolley is v, time you got 2L by 1.5 v. v will get cancelled, as 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. It will become 4L by 3 as a displacement of the trolley. So I can say displacement of the man with respect to the ground as well as displacement of the trolley with respect to the ground, both are 4L by 3, as we got this relation. Hence, as I mentioned here, option D will be our right answer for this question. Thank you.